How to fix no longer have access to these Facebook options. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix no longer have access to these Facebook options not showing. So if you think your account has been hacked or compromised and you cannot see the option to reset your account, I'll show you guys how you can fix it. So usually what happens is if you try to recover your account, so let's just tap on Facebook account recovery. Tap on the first link that you see, Account Recovery Help Center. Here, Facebook will give you an option to change your password or see if your account was hacked or not. So if you can't access your email or mobile number, here you can just tap on any one of these options. Tap on Continue. Just wait for a bit. And here you'll just have to make your account secure. So if you don't see this screen, you can just go back and say that your account was hacked. Then from here, you can tap on the other link that you see here to recover an account. Tap on it. So recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. You can copy link or open the article from here. You could also try to use your password. So to reset your password, tap on the blue text where it says reset password. And what to know before you change your password, you should know to help keep your account secure, you can only reset your password a certain number of times a day. So from here, you can just tap on change password. It will redirect you to your Facebook app, and then you can easily reset your password from here on your account center. But if you have been logged out of your Facebook, then you won't be able to do this. So let's just head over to how to recover your hacked account. And then from here, you're going to have to scroll down here, read through these texts to protect your account. So all you have to do is recover a hacked account. So if you have found out an imposter account of yours, if someone's using a fake profile or ID, you can just go here, or what you can do is go to the search bar and simply search for Facebook account compromised. Hit enter. Now from here, click on Facebook account compromised, this link right here. You'll get the related article on this page. Now once the page is open, you do the same thing. Someone else got into my account without permission, tap on continue. And then from here, you're going to have to make your account secure. So tap on get started. It will automatically start making your account secure, and you'll have an option to reset your password. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.